Welcome to the Site-Specific Plan Amendment Process Educational Series. This presentation is entitled Comprehensive Planning. These are some of the questions that this presentation addresses. The presentation gives an overview of comprehensive planning, including its legal basis. Key planning and zoning terms will be defined in this presentation, and links to additional resources will be provided. Fairfax County has an elected Board of Supervisors consisting of 9 members elected by district, plus a chairman elected at large. As elected representatives of county residents, the board sets policies such as the comprehensive plan. Public hearings are held for amendments to the comprehensive plan and zoning ordinance. These hearings provide an opportunity for citizens to provide input to elected officials and the rest of the community. The Planning Commission is a required body under Virginia law. The Planning Commission reviews proposed comprehensive plan amendments and rezonings and provides recommendations to the Board of Supervisors. Planning 101. Virginia is a Dillon Rule state, meaning that a local jurisdiction within the state may only engage in an activity if it is specifically sanctioned by the state government. A comprehensive plan is required for every local jurisdiction within Virginia to control the orderly growth and development of the jurisdiction. The comprehensive plan consists of texts and several maps. The comprehensive plan is used as a guide in decision-making about the built and natural environment. The comprehensive plan is shaped by the community's vision. The Board of Supervisors, the Planning Commission, Board of Zoning Appeals, staff, and the community all use the comprehensive plan as the common basis in decision-making. The comprehensive plan addresses transportation, environmental stewardship, provision of public facilities, land uses, and several other major topics. The plan discusses things that are often built or implemented over the long term, affecting current residents, but often affecting the next generation or future residents who haven't yet moved to the area. The land use precedent and culture set by Fairfax County for the comprehensive plan is that oftentimes it contains great detail that development must adhere to. Many other jurisdictions within the Commonwealth have much more generalized comprehensive plans or plans that may be ignored by decision makers. The plan recommends how land should be used, but not when development will occur. The plan is a guide for land use decision making, not regulations or the law. The plan may not be the right tool to address certain community issues such as neighborhood maintenance. The comprehensive plan includes several components. The policy plan contains the Board of Supervisors' goals and objectives to guide planning and development. The county is divided into 4 area plans, and the area plans contain planning districts and community planning sectors that have more detailed guidance that address the goals of the policy plan. Special areas contain more detailed guidance for areas such as the Tyson's Urban Center, transit station areas, and community business centers. The policy plan contains broad goals, objectives, and policies adopted by the Board of Supervisors that apply to the entire county. These broad goals, objectives, and policies inform the more detailed guidance found in the 4 area plans of the comprehensive plan. The concept for future development is detailed within each of the area plans. The concept focuses the vast majority of future growth into a small area, about 10% of the county, described as activity centers, with concentrated employment and housing or industrial uses. There are 6 broad categories of land use within these activity centers. The remainder of the county is categorized as suburban neighborhoods and low-density residential areas where housing will be preserved and protected. Notice that the eastern part of the county includes areas called community business centers. As mentioned previously, the comprehensive plan has unique geographies. Each of the 4 area plans, shown in the purple outlines, is further divided into 14 named planning districts. The 14 planning districts are further divided into community planning sectors, and each community planning sector has an alphanumeric identifier and a name. These maps may also show the names of special areas and activity centers located within the planning district or community planning sector. For example, the map on the right shows the Annandale and Seven Corners community business centers, the Merrifield Suburban Center, and the West Falls Church Transit Station area. The comprehensive plan also includes the plan land use map, the transportation plan map, and the trails plan map. The land use plan map depicts generalized land uses and density ranges. The transportation plan map depicts planned roadway and public transportation facilities. The trails plan map depicts a variety of planned trail facilities with general descriptions of different types of trails. As previously stated, the plan map contains generalized land use and density intensity recommendations. The plan text found in the 4 area plans may contain more detailed land use, density, and intensity recommendations than the plan map depicts, including options for higher density or intensity development not shown on the plan map. If there is a conflict between the plan map and plan text, the text recommendations overrule the plan map recommendations. The previous slide mentioned that the plan map shows generalized land uses and densities or intensities, and that there may be parcel-specific plan text recommendations and are options for higher density or intensity development found in the text of the 4 area plans. The community planning sector and special area sections of the area plans include a land use subsection. The land use subsection includes a numbered list of text recommendations that describe parcel-specific recommendations and the higher density intensity options for development that can be pursued, and also a list of recommended conditions that should be implemented in order to pursue the recommended use and density intensity options. This is the home page of the comprehensive plan on the county's website. The county has several resources that can be used to navigate the comprehensive plan. This slide shows the comprehensive plan map tool found on the Department of Planning and Development website and the new JADE mapping application that can be found on the Department of Information Technology Geographic Information Systems website. Both maps allow the user to add the comprehensive plan map layer, and the user can click on any property or tax map parcel on the map to get a dialog box that shows the plan map information and the planning geography needed to look up site-specific plan text in the area plans. The Code of Virginia requires localities to review the comprehensive plan at least once every 5 years. Fairfax County reviews its comprehensive plan on an almost ongoing basis to help manage the dynamic changes occurring in the county. The Board of Supervisors authorizes proposals to review amendments to the comprehensive plan, and these amendments are reviewed at public hearings by both the Planning Commission and the board. The Comprehensive Plan Work Program is a detailed list of planning studies that staff is assigned to work on and is amended by the Planning Commission and adopted by the Board of Supervisors. There are 4 plan amendment processes: area-wide planning studies, site-specific plan amendment process, which is divided into north and south cycles. And right now we are in the midst of the South County cycle for 2019. Countywide and policy plan amendments, and then additional board authorized plan amendments that could be for any type of geography or any type of plan amendment. The Plan Amendment Work Program schedule includes all types of plan amendments: authorized amendments, current amendments, and pending plan amendments. The schedule shows the plan amendment name, the date that the board authorized the amendment, and a general description of the amendment. There is also a summary table for ongoing plan amendments that shows estimated timelines for completion. The work program is reviewed annually by the Planning Commission. Information about pending comprehensive plan amendments is distributed in many ways. Site-specific amendments will have yellow signs posted on the property. Notification letters are sent to property owners and adjacent property owners and civic associations. And some of these civic associations publish plan amendment information in their newsletters or on their websites. Anyone can also sign up on the county's listserv website to receive regular emails about comprehensive planning activities, and the county also has a land use Facebook webpage that is updated regularly. There are a variety of common terms used in the comprehensive plan. 2 of the most common terms are density and intensity. These are terms that refer to the quantity of development. Density is used when discussing residential development and is expressed in the number of dwelling units per acre. The comprehensive plan map legend includes descriptions of 12 different density ranges for residential development. Density does not describe the form or appearance of residential development. The same density number may take different forms on the ground. Intensity refers to non-residential development such as offices, industrial buildings, and retail stores, and our mixed-use developments. Floor area ratio is the mathematical expression of non-residential development intensity. It is the area of the building divided by the area of the land it sits on. Intensity may take different forms in the built environment. In this example, we have an FAR of 1, where the building covers 1/4 of the site and is 4 stories tall. This example is for an intensity level of 2.5 FAR and shows 3 different forms that the intensity could take when built. There are a number of resources where you can find more information about the plan. Here is listed is a link to the plan directly, to the plan glossary, and to frequently asked questions about the plan, and then a link to the county email subscription service and the Facebook land use page. The Planning Division maintains and updates the comprehensive plan, engages in planning studies and plan amendments, and performs public facilities and heritage resources planning and environmental planning. Other presentations in the SSPA educational series include the zoning ordinance, transportation planning, parks, public facilities, capital improvements planning, and the policy plan.